Hello, welcome to the new video on learning statistics. Today we are going to study how to prepare continuous frequency distribution and how to plot histogram for a continuous random variable. For this, we consider the example on weight in grams of 40 white rats at the beginning of nutritional experiment. Here we have to prepare continuous frequency distribution by considering the classes 180 to 190, 190 to 200 and so on. Here the end class is not given to us. To know the end class, we have to find the maximum of the values of x. Here already I have entered the values of x, so we have to find maximum value. So for that, press equal to and use function max in bracket, write range of x. So this is the range of x, close the bracket and enter. So maximum value is 234. So therefore we consider class 230 to 240. So this will be the end class. So starting class is 180 to 190, end class will be 230 to 240. Now I have entered lower limits separately and upper limits separately in different columns. Now in next column you consider the cells in front of classes. Select the cells in front of the classes. Write equal to frequency in bracket. It will ask for data range. Data range is the range of observations. So select the range of observations. Put comma in between. Now it will ask for bin array. Bin array is the range of upper class limits. So select upper class limits and close the bracket. Hold shift and control and press enter. So this gives us frequency for the classes. So it indicates that there are three rats whose weight in grams is in between 180 and 190. There are 11 rats whose weight is in between 190 and 200. So for this frequency distribution we have to plot histogram. So to plot histogram, go to insert. Here is the insert. Select insert and select column chart and this two-dimensional column chart. Now go to select data. Select data. Here it will ask for chart data range. So select chart data range is the range of frequency. So select frequency range. Then here horizontal category or x-axis labels, default it considers 1 2 3 4. We want to have here classes, so edit here, consider classes, give the range of class. So press OK and press once again OK. So this is our column chart. It is not histogram. In histogram the rectangles are adjacent. So to get adjacent rectangles, right click on any bar of the column chart and go to format data series. Here is gap width. Use gap width, make it 0. So press close. Now we get histogram. These rectangles are adjacent to each other. Now to give chart title, go to layout and chart title above chart. So right here histogram, and on x-axis we have considered classes, that is weight in grams. So axis title, horizontal axis, below axis we write chart title, weight in grams, and on X-axis we consider frequencies, that is primary vertical axis will give title vertically. So on y-axis we consider number of rats. So right here number of rats. So this is all about how to prepare continuous frequency distribution for a continuous random variable and how to plot histogram using MS Excel. Thank you for watching the video. Like and share the video, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you.